In this video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic fur or hair in Blender. So for this video, we are going to be using a UV sphere. So I'll just start by adding UV sphere, right click and smooth out the shade. After that, I will just go to the particles and just click on the plus icon to create a new particle. From here, just go to the hair tab and make sure advanced is toggled on. You can set the number to around 3000, so just double click on it and set to 3000 like so. You can set the hair length to your liking. I'm just gonna go with 0.2 for this video, and after that make sure to turn on hair dynamics. After toggling it on, just go to physics and you will see brownium. Just set the brownium to 0.2 to add a subtle natural movement and hit enter. And after that, scroll down and you will see children. Just click on children, click on interpolated, and under display make sure to set it to around 25 like so. Hit enter to add extra strands between your parent hair for a fuller look. Now to add color, just go to material properties, just click on plus new, and under principal BSDF just click on it and make sure to select principal hair BSDF like so. And now just go to the viewport shading material preview and you will see we have applied color. To change the color, just click on the color icon and slide it up and change to any color that you like. So let's say I'm just gonna go with green color like so. And after you have done all that, just go to the particles and search for cache, which in my case it is here, and just click on bake to finalize the hair simulation. Now your model has a realistic fur that reacts naturally to movement. And that's it. Your fur is now ready. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.